Before you start this video, if you haven't gone through our basic indices video, please do so first, because I will assume you know that if you multiply two numbers of the same base, that you add the powers together, etc, etc. Today we're looking at negative and fractional indices. This is a GCSE topic, so if you're finding this quite quick and you're not quite sure, go back to our GCSE videos and have a bit of a catch up.
Indices have these advanced rules you will need to learn. Let's go through some advanced indices questions. In this question we're going to subtract the powers because the bases are both x, so the bases are both the same, and we're going to divide the coefficients. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and then x to the power of 2.5, take away the 1.5, which is just 1, but 3x to the power of 1 is just the same as 3x. Cube root is the same as to the power of a third using the first rule, so we can rewrite this as 64x to the power of 9, all of that to the power of a third. Now to the power of a third just means cube root, so we can just cube root that 64 to make 4, and we know that if we have a power on the inside and outside the bracket, we multiply them. So we're going to do 9 times the third, a third of 9 is 3. The third law shows us that a negative index creates the reciprocal of the number. So here we've got 8 to the power of minus 2/3. All of that could be over 1, it would give you the same number. So when we find the reciprocal, we flip that fraction, so it becomes 1 over 8 to the power of 2/3. Then the second law shows us that the denominator of the fractional index gives us a root, and the numerator creates a power. So we end up with 1 over the cube root of 8, all of that squared. The cube root of 8 is 2, and so it would be 1 over 2 squared, and 2 squared is 4, so it would be 1 over 4, or a quarter. Let's finish off this topic with this question. If the root buttons on your calculator broke, how could you find the cube root of 4096 using the calculator? If you know, write it in the comments below. And join us at onmaths.com or click the link in the description. Here you can access all our A-level papers and predictions for free, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger A-level course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.